guys, welcome back to my channel, Craft Snip Done, and today we're going to be making a Cheeto paper squishy. Yep. So as you guys can see, I drew it. So this is the instructions. So first and foremost, you're going to be needing an A4 piece of paper. Okay, an A4 piece of paper. Then you're going to fold the A4 piece of paper. And after you fold the A4 piece of paper, then you're going to print the Cheeto, or you're going to draw it. Well, I drew it because I don't have a printer, or you could go to a printer shop instead. After that, you tape it up. So cover the whole entire thing with tape. I already covered some of mine with tape, so I'm just gonna put the finishing touches. So let's see, another one with tape, just like the leftovers tape. The left everywhere. Make sure you get every single place. Alright, I already put it everywhere, and time for the back. Don't mind if there's a bleed spot because I see. And yes, you have to put the tape everywhere. But make sure leave at least one spot for us to put the filling inside. Because here are the materials that you guys are going to be needing. A paper, tape, scissors of course, and a pencil if you want to draw on color pencils or markers. And then the last but not least, cotton. So yeah, you can use polyfill or cotton that is like for plush toys. So yeah, let's cover this guy up. So as you guys can see, I think I'm going to leave this one meanwhile. I'm going to tape the bottom here. But right now, I'm just going to tape at the back. So let's tape the back up. Take the sky. Go. Make sure you guys put a lot of tape. But for this video, I'm not going to put that much tape because I'm just showing you guys a very easy tutorial. Oh no, I accidentally put the tape in the wrong way. No. Let's just snip that out. There we go. Oh no, the scissors are now sticking. Okay, there you go. Okay, then we got it. Let's tape it back. There you go. So we're taping it. We're getting close to the process. Our process is getting close. Let's get some more tape. Let's see if I can get it out from it. Let's see. And I got some more tape out. Alright, so I am going to be having more long tape. So, yep. Here's another one. Put it over here. There you go. And then other tape. Go. So far so good. Yes, so far so good. I love how it's like smooth, but this one's kind of like a little. Oh no, I accidentally ruined it. No. Well, at least it's not that much good. Alright, you guys, are you guys excited for it to be finished? Let's put some more tape. Here it is. Do you guys want to see me finish this? Well, if you guys do, then go watch part 2 right now. Bye!